you can see it's a little bit loose, so it's going to have to be tightened. And to do that, you have to put it on a centre stand or a paddock stand. And the tools you're going to need are one pair of pliers to remove the split pin. When I think it's a 30 or 32 mil socket to remove the spindle nut, or your adjustable spanner of two different types there. Either of those will do the job. You also need to straighten the split pin and remove. These are usually replaced. Or the spindle nut, doesn't have to take it off, just loosen it like that. Sure that the wheel is in alignment. There's a little line here, this little block on the outside of the spindle, little line there, and it's 3 in outside of those there, and on the same other side, hopefully you can, again 3 in down in the middle. So look at the back arm. It's in the 12 mil, the locking nuts on both sides. That's nice and loose. The other side. Then 1/4 turn. Side, and the same again. Quarter turn. Right hand side. Quarter turn. And in quarter turn. The tension is getting better. That's another turn on each. Quarter and quarter. Go to the other. Exactly the same on the other side. Hold it still. And tighten up the locking nut. Nice and still. Retighten the nut, spindle nut. And bend to stop the nut undoing itself as you're riding. And that should be job done.